Derrick out here. Why they call me out here, so? Tap up the screen, guys. Tap up. Send some gift from Uncle Derrick, please, and thanks. Tap up the screen, tap up the screen, tap up the screen. Come on, guys, let's send some to Uncle Derrick, please, and thanks.
Panama, yes, junk lotion outside.
No junk lotion,
The junk lotion, they about Panama.
Okay. Friends saying something come.
Support the trip junk lotion.
Yeah, check out the ship for Uncle Derrick. I'm going to think all around with this, you know. See the cash up there? So what them there to code up result. And him alone set up the side counter. It take long as it tappers. You know tappers? You hear me?
Me not hear what you say. Where you say all ago?
Me I said it then slow.
It's slow?
No,
the people, cause you know them act like them a robot and them something they like them not sleep good last night or them tired more than anybody else. Guys, tap up his screen and support Uncle's Panama trip and big up all the gifters who has been gifting and helping out. You guys are appreciated.
Me add came down and came to come.
It was Ken's last time when they were still there. But it was Ken's last time, but you never stay on long. But then I drop out at A1. I'm going to stay on last time.
She gone again.
Let's go and pay money.
People them say them happy. Oh, I know, right?
And at 1 o'clock, 1:09.
Yes, John Curlo shiny. Yes, and I.
I'm sure not.
Don't worry, to chat me.
Big up yourself, Danny. Yes, guys, Uncle is off and about. What can go so? Guys, tap up the screen and send some gifts, please.
Oh God, are you know me there at the airport too?
Why?
I'm in the airport, but not the one in Jamaica. I'm in John F. Kennedy.
Yeah, we have one part of her.
John F. Kennedy.
John X, man.
Uncle John Curlo if I remember, say you're a celebrity now, so autograph and them something there.
Love this,
Yeah.
Uncle. Love this too. Love this.
One girly brown, big up yourself, mama.
Love this. Oh God, my flight board's in 4 minutes. Love this.
Guys, I don't know.
I'm not even close to the game. My flight board's in 4 minutes.
Yo, God is good. Uncle, me happy right now. Me not care what you do.
We have one big later in the chat. Here are You know reach it. You know reach it and your post. You know is what? You know is not a sure thing, right? Area. Bex,
Who could say that?
be
Uncle,
happy for
I'm
Uncle. Don't be
proud
a
of you.
hater
I'm
right now,
happy.
girl. Do not be a hater.
Tapas, Danny, I'm happy for Uncle right now.
Yes.
In my eye.
So true.
I'm happy.
You have to
God is
check
good.
right?
One God. One God.
Gantan.
Yeah, like girl, like she's just being a hater right now. Like, be happy for once, girl. Shit, be happy for once,
Safe
man.
journey, uncle.
Yeah.
Safe travels. Yeah, you're welcome. Top up the screen, guys.
Fun.
Send
Have
whatever
fun.
you
Lots
can
of
send.
fun.
You know, everything
Lots of
counts.
photos.
Hmm?
We off to Panama with Uncle. You know, Uncle now left us.
Uncle could have never left me out. Well done.
Jungle Ocean, you have to go next time. You have
I'm
to
gonna go.
go time right beside
Go
Uncle.
back, go back on the yard.
Once you pick in the girl from be but God. Why? Some documents are right.
Everybody happy. Oh God.
Yeah.
You can run show.
Like they're calling.
Somebody says they want to see.
Panama, I got there. You know. Hello.
Next pink while see Uncle flying out. He's in line checking in his baggage. Come on, pink while this your post.
Uncle Jungle
But it's a
Ocean.
pink color that run with him.
Well,
It's a
if
pink
I
color
got
that run
record
with
you in the airport, because I said Jungle Ocean, sending the videos.
When I say rather than a stinking bed.
What is that?
When it's funny, so uncle I fly or while was in a big stinking bed. Yeah, slow bad. I just put on my line. We say play slow though. Put them tired, God don't put them tired to stand up so long on the line.
Uncle, this is your first time at the airport.
I'm going to check
Uncle you're there at airport.
They be moving slow.
And then next come to me, I'm more part of the airport. Yeah, what's up?
I'm not saying they give them for Uncle Derrick, man. I'm not saying I need this thing. I don't need them.
Let's come sign.
Come to call me. Call.
Look here, baby girl. Why was alone? I was trying to upgrade and save my bag. Give me a phone. Why people are so negative? The plane should leave your bomber clock. People are so negative on this life.
Now look them humble.
Me and my
Can't
passport.
come out till next year. Uncle is getting on that plane. The wickets.
Other one like the economics, yeah,
See, to start.
You tell them no? What take room now? If you have room up there, take room up there.
Uncle, how do you feel to be in the airport right now?
Nice.
Yes, enjoy it.
Nice and clean and comfortable,
Yeah.
Uncle.
Good man. The ocean smell good, your fridge.
Big up yourself, Macka Diamond.
Make up yourself, Macka Diamond.
Big up.
One Mac upon the app, one Mac in life, never two. Oh, we catch the plane now, Uncle. Board the plane there. Where you go?
Before them tired, God don't put them stand too long.
Yeah, that's how it is, Uncle. Get used to it, because you're going to start traveling now. God open one door and he's going to open more.
We'll show them.
The passport and the family just give.
Them push you not have it. You can't get through.
No.
Uncle.
Yeah.
They run them jokes about the airport.
See my one.
When we like comments, me laugh, you know. I wonder if Panama is ready to Uncle. That's one, no.
Just end up with security.
One young, no Panama ticket price gone up from
Where's security there?
Yeah,
I don't want search you.
Panama ready for you, you know. Guys, anybody in the chat is from Panama, living in Panama? Uncle, I wonder if you're going to close to any of your followers over there.
Them can do a little meet and greet. That would have good for him.
I wonder if Uncle going to do a meet and greet with Uno. Yeah, with some of them.
Let me watch our church people. You said about church you?
No, oh, sorry.
My mom said Panama ready for Uncle.
Put my passport and button on my book.
Yeah.
Long time Panama ready from early summer.
All bags of
We never think that it's a bag. We never think that it's a bag.
Uncle, me think I cut it. They probably let you cut off the light. Come on, guys, send up the gift. Tap the screen.
Top up the screen,
Have fun with this, guys. Don't anything.
Yeah. The bag now, so.
Money gone.
Uncle's accepting any little gift you can send, please.
Big up yourself. God bless.
All the toppers and all the gifters. No, Renee, he's at the airport. He didn't reach us yet. Yes, Nell. Uncle a shy boy. Long time.
Wow.
He's videotaping in the airport. Dev, you talk too much.
Oh.
And your shoes.
Take off my shoes? Go for one of them. Yeah, you have to take off my shoes. One of them. Yep, yeah, you took off your shoes.
You talk too much, Dev. He's not gonna be the first or the last. You chat too much.
That's all I never go on a plane or go on an
I
airport.
take off my shoes, my love.
Lie, they make you take off
You
your
have to
shoes,
take off
Uncle.
your shoes.
You don't know, say you're King Solomon's son. You don't need to do that. Uncle say, yeah, take off shoes, my love. John Lotion, him have one at the pocket, he might take off him
Put the
shoes.
phone on the store.
He might check. The man do a little search.
The shoe we about to go under the
Yes,
detector.
T, that is so true.
They about to pass the phone through the detector. Let me take off the picture.
Your Uncle Lotion, your uncle. Our shoes not to take off. It's so funny. Mimi? I know. I will have to go find out and compare it. Somebody said they never travel, they never see. Wanna keep Marshall Lee uncle's on the way to Panama, girl. He's going to Panama. Today is the day.
Make Pepper Pink come see this. She say he nah go Panama. Make she come see this. Make she come see this.
You must. All the people know the people that are going through there. You know what I mean?
Don't tell him, don't.
They're not put nothing for me.
Panama.
I think all the people that know me, they say come on through.
Somebody jumping outside.
Me say they not put nothing thing for me. I'm going to woman to come past Derrick.
What the woman say, uncle?
You don't put nothing for me.
Because you passed through the stuff already. You passed through the barricade.
Them know say
Because you're a big celebrity, that's why.
The people that are going through.
And because you're a celebrity uncle, celebrity kid.
Let's say put on my choose Derrick.
Uncle sounding nervous. He sound nervous.
Yeah, he is. He never went.
The lotion, that's what on the bag.
Uncle, remember your chewing gum. Remember your Wrigley's.
you have a gum, uncle?
Your Trident.
Yeah.
Christ, somebody has to video him. Somebody must see my video him. You think them get it?
Must video him check me TikTok. Derrick Morgan in the They don't probably get it up. Matter of fact, let me go check Pink while uncle.
Jungle lotion out of the airport, uncle.
No more of it. Then you want it like a book. So.
First lady, we can't add her. Somebody gotta come out the box and order somebody to come out. It only can have 6 people up here, I believe.
I'm gonna come down.
A Jungle lotion just pat it down. Why am I fake now, Ali? Fake it till you make it. What is he faking?
What that's supposed to mean and he just passed to TSA.
Ali, what that mean? That's a cool beer say to add her, uncle. One there, pan it up, tika. One.
I go reach up that place there about and then the digital people under them want to find out what the room.
I go up on the step. You can't go up on the step, you elbow in our work.
Uncle, you going on the escalator, the moving steps?
Safe flight, my dog. Hey, clean.
Fresh and clean.
Clean.
Looky young boy.
Young. Macka, big up yourself. Macka, big up yourself.
Yeah, you're nice.
Look quite sweet.
You're fresh.
Yeah, man, thanks.
You have a pitch something over there now. You have a pitch
Nice
something over
and
there.
clean and
Oh no, I didn't go to Walmart.
nice and clean and
Nobody laughing up. Come here, money number, me not get it. Change the number.
One Derrick Morgan.
Watch nice. Watch
That's
uncle.
nice.
Yes, the uncle.
Panama. Blushing.
Boy, uncle, your face smooth and pretty though. Give me the remedy, Nana.
Look over the digital.
Your face pretty.
Derrick,
I'll go over here to do it,
Derrick, you change the number?
Yeah, me change the number. Then I, yeah.
More find out something about the roaming. Hello, darling.
Let me call you on the next number, me not get you.
Oh, Tommy haven't been over here in a minute then. Yeah, he changed the number like last week, a week or 2 ago.
I
People that went
call the
to
number
call
since
give out
last
the
week and
number,
it was supposed to
Tommy.
call me.
Tapas.
Me have to go send Tommy.
Yeah, send me to the
Tommy,
inbox.
please.
Yeah,
Send me
yeah,
into
send him.
Tapas.
Send me it too.
Okay,
Yeah.
girl, let me send it for
My
WhatsApp.
friend, you look clean. You gotta pick something up on Panama.
Yeah, man. Guys, send gifts. Everything is appreciated. Give Uncle Trip.
Because you're saying, don't you?
Yeah, but we want the phone. If you never get the phone in the room, you're not got it.
On my phone too? You can't.
Oh, see that?
Alright, everybody call to me. Jesus.
We now welcome customers in Group H to board
Eh?
1400 to Miami through gate number
Uncle, Black Dev. Black Dev 786. Black the person when you Dev 786.
Wonder Maga.
Right up before you go on the flight.
Yeah.
Panama.
So you're the moderator. You're the moderator. Can block them yourself.
No, me no moderator on the page. Me I go make Dev get block him. Chat too much.
Yeah.
Your negativity ma comment from the man. Come on.
Post it up.
Tell him now.
Black Dev.
Wonder Maga. I'm going to live.
Uncle.
Dev.
Yeah.
Uncle, Uncle.
Black Dev.
Black Dev.
The one who named Dev. Black him. And Venom. Venom, go ask your mama.
Dev and Venom. Black it to them.
Venom. And stop him in a chat. The Venom can do.
Excitement. Up as
The uncle, I can never get up as moderator on the page.
Yeah. Wonder Maga. Panama.
As you change your page, you're supposed to get up as moderator. I'm not look nothing now, I'm excited right now.
Well, make it tap as the moderator. And time you can get it too. I'm moved to my day.
Not on this page, Uncle. The other page.
Dev.
There,
Been
Maga.
commenting foolish name.
Uncle, when you change your page, you're supposed to get up as moderator, you know that.
Yeah.
Me I look for.
But I let them spoil the moment, me happy for you fuck.
Yeah, me not upon them.
Me happy for my friend.
Them out of order. Where they've him.
I'm not studying them right now. I'm not studying them right now.
Him out of enjoy himself like y'all go do something.
You do it already?
Everybody else are coming positive stuff except
Panama.
Post it up.
One done wife.
Not like Uncle look real nice.
Yeah, him look
Go
good.
upon them about them.
No. You could see the glow in his face. Like you could see the joy.
Him happy, man. I'm
He
happy.
never open his mouth. You could see it in his face.
Happy, my friend. Nobody I'm not tracing today. Go enjoy yourself.
Remember, let everybody rush me up here. Look.
I mean, you're a celebrity.
Yeah, he's a star man.
me can't add guys up to a uncle of the other.
I'm a freak big guy. Yo.
Eh?
No. No. So real.
Guys, give me a follow. Oh. Sure, big up yourself, you know, man.
If somebody said this need to go up on pink wall, no.
It's over pink wall already. Pink wall posted Uncle and Macka Diamond already.
Yeah, pink one have Macka uncle already.
Yep,
Yeah,
Pink wall
Macka
posted Uncle and Macka Diamond.
Hey, me say when God at work, you know, there's nothing can stop. I first, me not see no dirty fake page around with no over here and a comment. Me say,
True man, not true.
Uno finger them broke fit today. All I uno fake page, uno finger them broke.
You know what they have over here now, you know?
You know what I like?
Yeah.
Everybody in the comments happy for Uncle. They're happy for him. Like
1.8 people over here now, yeah?
Yeah, I love the fact that they're cheering him on and everybody just happy to see him about his flight and
The chat so positive today for children. Everybody was so positive.
We like that for Uncle.
Karen, big up yourself. Big up. Uncle, so they want to share love, the bestness. Big up.
Because Uncle got 100K sometimes on the For You page.
We appreciate you guys.
Uncle, you have like almost 2K people. Put
You just a smile, sir.
Uncle, put back the camera for your uncle. You don't want to see.
Get Uncle to 100K.
And talk.
2K guys,
Yeah.
please. Guys, give me a follow also. Kem's Fashion Paradise.
Kems. It's still a wait before Uncle end him live.
What happened
Guys,
now?
himself, wig and all them things that's for the girl them, the
Pick
put
up
them on
yourself,
the
Sue,
live,
for the
guys.
and I for
Alright,
Uncle.
Topaz,
Pick up
start for me,
yourself.
Topaz. So big up.
Guys, follow Kem's fashion
Thank you,
for
Sue.
all your
Q
Pick
share.
up
wigs,
Thank
yourself,
you,
guys.
Sue. Thank you,
Big
Sue,
up
for
The
yourself.
Uncle.
real
Pick up
hair them,
yourself,
so the man
Shade.
can pull
I'm
on
going
the
to say
real
going
hair
now.
them, right? That's
Yes,
all.
sir.
Follow Kem's fashion,
Respect,
guys.
respect,
Sue.
almost 2K people over here. Karen
Pick
Love,
up yourself,
respect,
Sue, for
guys,
the gift. Pick
respect.
up
Thank
So
yourself,
you
big
for the
up
Sue.
gift.
yourself. Alright, big up. What's money
Money
gun?
gun,
Big
money
up
gun.
Money
yourself, so.
gun,
Big up.
yeah, right? That's the uncle.
Big up, so.
Yeah, we got finish now. We have finished board.
Guys, when I follow Kem's fashion for the good ear them.
Alright, Topaz, start for me, Topaz. Start for me, Topaz.
Uncle,
No follow Kem,
Uncle.
right? That's all.
Topaz, start now, Topaz.
Guys, follow Kem's fashion. Click on his name and follow him. He got wigs and all other type of stuff, you know?
Thank you,
Right
Topaz.
here.
Uncle, you have 2,000 people over here, Uncle.
Yeah.
Right there, so. Uncle,
Huh?
try when you go over there, make them make you buy some good herbal things to make you lose weight and can't come to Jamaica because them
Pick up
dead
yourself,
tonight.
for the money
Bumba clap
gun.
mine, man. Big up, man.
Uncle about proper weight. And what are you? Right the song.
Guys, follow the gifters. Follow the gifters.
And follow the it's not right now when I'm done. Follow the gifters as well, guys.
And follow the people in the
Click on
box.
Uncle Thingy where you see the follow and stuff and follow them gifters. Big up on yourself.
Uncle, somebody say must take off your bag.
Sure, say,
Take off your
mine,
bag.
mine.
And that no one know.
We bag on my shoulder.
Them not ready yet. When the plane ready to take off, him can put
Don't take any time with me. Don't take any time. We can kind of scared, you know.
Yeah, take off your
That's why I tell him don't get no window. You can't manage that.
One thing, everybody big up Macka Diamond, but we are big up Bumbo Class Fancy Feet too. Alright. Big up yourself in a fancy feet.
See who real the uncles, see them there? We not talk about we as your friend them, yeah. See who real them rate you, cause them make you take the first class. Go on with it now.
Yeah, remember.
Pick up yourself again, Macka Diamond. Big up yourself again. Big up yourself. One Macka Diamond. One Macka Diamond.
Big up yourself, Macka. Girlie Brown. Big up we must do Macka. Bonim.
Yeah.
Macka Bonim.
Big up mine.
Bonim. Tell the guy.
Thanks for the money gun, guys. Thanks for the money gun for Uncle. Thanks to all the gifters. Thank
One
you so much.
Macka Diamond.
And fancy feet.
Yeah, man. Big up, Macka. Big up, big up.
Fancy feet.
And fancy feet, I wish you there. Yeah, man. Big up
Fancy feet
yourself.
wherever you're there. Big up fancy feet.
Respect to the journals
Alright,
there.
and fancy feet. She said fit other there.
Yeah.
One fancy feet
Mine,
on
big
the
up
app.
you know, mine with the money gun them.
Big up Moy with the money gun.
Yeah, my. Thanks, my.
Guys,
Thanks, girlfriend.
appreciated.
Just call him come here. So that boyfriend work
Big up on yourself.
Fancy feet. Auntie Elma, what going? Big up Auntie Elma.
Auntie Elma, big up yourself.
2.1. Big up. Send out the
Guys,
gifters.
wanna follow the gifters, guys.
No makeup. Look at that. No makeup.
5 o'clock.
Fancy feet, we go tell him fit other when they get his phone.
Yeah, alright, baby. This is.
Topaz, Virgo, I hear you.
Virgo.
Alright, big up.
You know what me call Virgo? When me must do Macka.
Yeah, Virgo.
Auntie Elma, thank you for the
When we
galaxy.
reach, when they line up the shopping, alright?
Yeah.
All right, Macka.
Early, uncle, fancy feet. She said fit other. Take down somebody.
Virgo.
Hello. I'm gonna take it from them. I'm gonna put it on there, I'm gonna put it up. I was trying to.
Yeah, but I can't wait to the rock. I mean, I like
I'm so glad. After happy for uncle.
Thank you.
This.
We no run out with 2 lion now for uncle.
No, I told
Oh, yeah, I did that. Okay. Yeah. You think I this put in there?
you fix something.
Yeah, man. Everything. You know what? The first one is a green card, man.
Thanks for the gift, guys. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for supporting Uncle and his journey to Panama.
1 minor, man.
Thank you, Moy.
Yeah, money gone by and sending. What's that?
Oh, man,
Thank you very much.
1 Moy.
One more. Follow up my. Follow up my.
Uncle,
Follow up the gifters, guys.
Follow the gifters, guys.
Macka Diamond, you know you're not easy and Derrick. Thanks for the gift, guys.
What's still over here?
This is different from the one online?
Yeah, the same one. The QR code.
It's already.
Guys, big up on yourself. Thanks for supporting Uncle's journey to Panama. We appreciate you guys. And one and only Macka Pan app. We have to big up Macka Diamond. 1 Macka Diamond, never 2, never 3, never 4.
And fancy fee.
Big up yourself, boy.
Fancy over there?
Big up yourself for the money guns.
Also, big up fancy feet. Fancy feet make this possible.
Fancy feet say to add her.
Yeah,
Big up
fancy
TT.
Who fancy feet if you add her there? Take down Tommy, uncle. Come in and take down Tommy there.
Can't tell me him like him gonna sleep.
Add fancy feet.
Big up yourself, boy. We appreciate
Ken look like you're on uncle if you come.
Uncle Black. Let me see. One fake page just come.
Yes, he's catching flights, not feeling best.
Instead of fancy feet, Lord God.
Hello, uncle, I come down and add fancy feet. I come down and add fancy feet.
Fancy feet. So what happened like?
Yeah, airport.
Fancy feet one, come on.
Yes, uncle had fancy feet. Should at the airport, but at shop.
Yes, the fancy feet, come on.
Hey, fancy, you reach to the airport?
Yeah, him same kind of feel afraid, but he might be good, man.
Tap up the screen,
2
guys.
hours
Tap
no
up the
long.
screen. Let's
Like
put
and
up
share, guys.
150K likes.
Fancy feet up there.
Fancy feet. She's coming up.
Hello? Fancy? Fancy?
What, Terry?
In the chat here, wait.
Fancy feet.
Mute your phone,
guys, the pool. Mute your phone, guys, the pool. It's fancy earring? Macka, she signal bad, Macka. Yeah. At 2,000, I don't Look, uncle, look.
The rain of falling on.
Yo, my laugh till tears there, Mike. This is so safe. Uncle, fix your face. Oh, shit. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Macka hug him up, Macka hug him up, then I make them screen record this.
Come on, it starts slow like this, and then does pick up speed, and then take off.
And then uncle, you go feel like a little pain in your belly, just a little tickle. Remember, put the phone on airplane mode.
Uncle, tell us something before you leave off. Lift up now. Tell us something nice now.
That was 2 hours flight.
Macka, put the camera on
people.
Uncle, your people are going to hear from you. Make we hear something from you, Uncle.
Macka.
Uncle.
Macka Diamond. Macka, put the camera on Uncle. Pussy clot. Watch out. Send the camera. Pussy clot.
Macka, make us see now all your curves.
Guys, follow.
Macka, you know me, ain't a friend again. Me vex
This is
with
one
you
of his backup page. You can follow this page as well, guys. Follow this page for Uncle, guys. Follow Fancy Feed. Big up Macka. Follow the gifters.
Yeah.
And big up yourself. Right this is alright. Right this so.
Uncle, you not talk to me.
Come on the screen record a party. Hey, Janko Lotion vex, you know, remember Uncle Bestie. Janko Lotion want to say Uncle Feet.
Uncle Janko Lotion wants to see your face. You can't hear we.
Success, you send the 2 lion now.
Them know. I don't know, so it's soon cut off though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, put it on your play mode. Tapas.
Huh?
Somebody say, you see how them wicked in that comment, somebody say, Uncle now read it, him busy afraid.
Him busy at what?
What are them people here, man?
Aggravating. He's not sad, guys. He's nervous. Remember, this is his first time.
Yeah, upwards.
Watch nice food. Wow.
When get?
No, Fancy Feet. I sure nice food.
And that's if Fancy Feet, something there.
Food look good.
Fancy Feet, service and move away.
$3K.
3.2K people over here.
Yeah. Who can give me a lion? Who can
send Uncle a lion? Run out a lion.
Like, me look a lion for a plane. Down at Panama.
I have a baby lion. Who can send a baby kitten for Uncle?
You beg a lion before you plane. Before we land up.
Uncle, I beg a lion.
Uncle come live tonight so them can give you something here. When you're settling and everything, I mean, guys, we can't expect him to be on live the whole time he's there. Because remember, this is the first time and he might go and enjoy the place, right? So just follow Fancy Feet, follow Macka, and hopefully one of them go live. But let him enjoy himself a little and then.
Rain or fall, watch blessing, watch God work.
Somebody saying hi from the Bahamas. Shine bright.
Miami, also the US.
Yes, ranks.
The same job. Cayman too.
No, Cayman here. Go up nice for it to go. But it's like a charter, you know. Like people can't most charter, but where I'm from, but they are chartered flights. A lot of it is
Casey.
Yeah.
4 o'clock now, you done cook already?
How much more than my most kind of Canada? Oh, going by Panama. Okay, cool. Okay. I never really know where this is I'm come from.
It's a Panama.
Okay. We don't know if this is come from. It's a pretty
Thank you guys for all the gift for Uncle Derrick. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Somebody said, "On a mix up, bad." What is that person talking about?
You're gonna easy on it. You're gonna try. What you think they're going here for? Yeah, turn. That's amazing. You're gonna try. What else is not that? I'm not working for you up and down. Oh no.
That's everybody first time face, guys. So real, so real.
Time come, time come, time come.
I'm telling you.
Time come, Uncle, time come.
Come we now watch the show, Uncle. Time is here.
Time come, time come.
Hey, people over here, no Casey. Tappers watch people.
So, to get that partner to watch me get into it.
Damn for true.
Remember, sir, them a hide up on the plane with them and the guys.
My phone they on room still, but it have to go up on the airplane. My signal a drop.
No.
Me glad me in the pocket.
Me glad me na Uncle handbag. Me glad me
You
na
know
Uncle
the
backpack.
knapsack?
Me glad me
Me
na
in the pocket.
backpack.
See it there? God.
Guys on TikTok.
Guys.
Casey, come inbox me, no make we go find it. Girl, come inbox me, we go find something. Come.
When he said guys with a GIZE, you know, guys.
Where it go?
Guys, wanna come here.
Stop it.
Guys, wanna never
Guys,
know.
come tell you something. Come here.
Panama, guys.
You don't know, say.
Let me tell you no, yes, the blood clot. I told them about Panama, guys.
Hey!
Guys, you never know.
Yeah. Oh, God. Yo, I say tapas.
Eh?
Tapas. I'm a birthday. I'm not even excited like how I'm excited for Uncle. We can't see tell you.
I'm here, I tell her the truth.